Artificial intelligence is no longer just a software trend. It is a hardware arms race where one company currently holds the keys to the kingdom. While Nvidia dominates headlines, a quiet but massive shift is underway in the data centers that power our digital world. The question is not just who sells the most chips, but who controls the entire ecosystem. Nvidia's secret weapon isn't just its graphics processing power, but a decades-old software moat called CUDA that locks developers into its platform. This ecosystem creates a sticky environment where switching costs are prohibitively high for most enterprises. But is this monopoly sustainable in an industry defined by rapid innovation? Enter AMD, the historic rival that has spent years rebuilding its portfolio from desktop processors to high-performance AI accelerators. Their new MI series chips offer raw performance that rivals Nvidia's top-tier offerings at a more accessible price point. However, hardware alone cannot win a war if the software support lags behind. The battle for AI infrastructure is also a battle for memory bandwidth, where Nvidia's HBM technology currently sets the standard for speed. AMD is investing heavily in high-bandwidth memory solutions to ensure their chips don't become bottlenecks during massive training runs. This technical arms race drives up the cost of every single server deployed. Cloud providers and tech giants are deliberately diversifying their hardware suppliers to avoid total dependence on a single vendor. This strategic shift is creating a lucrative market for AMD, even if they remain the underdog in terms of total market share. The era of exclusive reliance on one chipmaker is slowly coming to an end. Open-source models are changing the game by reducing the friction of switching between different hardware architectures. When AI models become more portable, the lock-in effect of proprietary software stacks begins to weaken. This democratization of access allows smaller labs to experiment with alternative chipsets without massive overhead. Ultimately, the winner of this chip war will be determined by who can deliver the best total cost of ownership for enterprise customers. It is not just about peak performance, but about energy efficiency, software ease of use, and long-term support. The companies that balance hardware innovation with ecosystem stability will reign supreme. The future of computing is being written in silicon today, and the competition between these tech giants ensures rapid progress for everyone. If you want to understand the real mechanics behind the AI boom, stay tuned for our next deep dive. Subscribe to Zertexa to keep your tech knowledge ahead of the curve.